Is CyberGhost VPN right for you? Let's find out. Check the description below for exclusive deals. CyberGhost is a premium VPN built for privacy, streaming, and bypassing geo-blocks. With over 9,800 servers in 91 countries, it offers specialized servers for streaming, torrenting, and gaming. CyberGhost secures your connection with AES-256 encryption, DNS leak protection, and a strict no-logs policy. Its clean, intuitive interface makes it easy to use on Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, smart TVs, and even routers. One-click connect gets you online fast. For streamers, CyberGhost is a game-changer, offering optimized servers for Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and Disney+, bypassing region locks with ease. Dedicated P2P servers and unlimited bandwidth make torrenting seamless. WireGuard protocol ensures impressive speeds, even over long distances. CyberGhost security is top-notch. Besides encryption, it boasts an automatic kill switch and no spy servers. It even blocks ads and malware. CyberGhost offers competitive pricing and a generous 45-day money-back guarantee. So, if you need privacy, security, and unrestricted access, CyberGhost delivers. Click the links below and share your thoughts in the comments.